the new assignment that I put up there, which should match what I have. Can everybody see that? If you can't, raise your hand, like right now, before she starts.
Oh, no, wait.
Can you see this assignment? Okay, well then you should be raising your hand. All right, you ready, Amir? Okay. Okay, guys, so we have been doing UCLA, and we've done it in a various different amount of ways, right? So, we've used Google Classroom all year. A lot of you have been using it for a couple of years. So what we're gonna do now is I want to teach you another way to be efficient with our Google Classroom, our Google Forms, which we've also used, right? Okay, so what I have done is I have, now all of you, I know you like your articles, and a lot of you may not like the same article. So what I did was, if you will, I want everyone to click on the Amazing Animals link in your Google Classroom, okay? Once you click on this link, you're going to find 8 different articles. And what this is in UCLA, you know how normally we log in and we might put in a keyword or some type of short sentence or a few words to find something that we're looking for if I have not assigned you a particular article. So what we're doing is I have a text set. This is a set of 8 articles that are familiar. They're amazing animals. So they're all grouped together. So what I want you to do is you're going to look and just glance at the 8 articles, and you're going to pick one. Does everybody understand? You're going to pick one of the 8 articles. Okay? So I gave you a group. Okay? And I just want you to pick one. So everybody understands. How many do you pick? One. Okay. So you can pick any article you want as long as it's one of these, okay, that you're going to read. Now, how many times do we read the article? 2. I asked you to read it 2 times, right? Yes, so you're going to pick, and this is in your instructions. So when I erase it off the board, you're going to see it in your assignment instructions, right? Yes, okay. So we're pick one article. Read how many times? 2. Okay, now, we have been doing what section of the open activities? What have we been doing? Writing. We've been writing. Okay, well, you know what? I'm going to pretend like I'm picking about Fiona, okay? And look, guys, now, some of us already know about those levels, the L levels. I'm a little bit different than you guys. You guys should come up to the lowest level, but if it doesn't, everybody in here knows how to change it, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Everybody's in here has already said. I've heard about Fiona. So, let me scroll up a little bit more so we can see some of the words. Hang on, sorry. I've actually read about her before. So when you go to your your activities. Now, guys, you don't have the power words, so don't pay any attention to that. Okay. So, this time, we're not going to do the right. I want you to do the quiz for me. Okay? But, how many times you going to read it? 2. Okay. Then you're going to take the quiz, right? Okay. Once you've taken the quiz, you're going to go back to Google Classroom and you're going to tell me you're done, right? Okay? So you're going to tell me you're done in Google Classroom. You're going to turn it in. That way I know to come over here and check it. Also, in your instructions here, where it says that you'll pick one article, you'll read it twice, you'll take the quiz. Once you've completed the quiz, I added a Google form that you guys are not strangers to. But it says once you've completed the quiz for the article that you've selected, then you will need to select the article reflection form, which is the Google form, and answer the few questions and then submit it. So now I'm going to open the form, okay? So, you remember doing these forms? Okay, this is the article reflection. So, now that we've been doing the News ELA for a little while, I want you to fill out these 3 questions. After reading your article today, how did you feel? Happy, sad, relaxed, anxious, or felt the same way? No change, just another day. The next one, how did you feel about the article that you read today? It was easy to read. I had some trouble, but overall I could read it. I struggled. I couldn't read it at all. And when I said that I couldn't read it at all, that means that you had to use your read right. Okay? And then the last one, you're going to actually write or type some information to me. Tell me what you would like to read about on the next article. So the next article that I choose, tell me what you want to see, because I want to compile all that information so that I can find one of the next assignments as a whole that maybe could interest everybody. Or I can build another text set that puts everybody's in there together and everybody can pick from another group, like the Amazing Animals. Okay? And then when you're done, you're going to hit submit, and then you're going to turn it in the classroom. Okay? All right. Does anybody have any questions? Because we kind of went through it a little fast, but you guys have been using Google Classroom and Google Documents for quite some time in forms. So, you tell me if you have any questions.
No.
Yes, do you?
So you're saying we do the we go back and does that.
Then you're going to go to that, and then when you're done with both, then you turn in. Okay? Now, again, when I ask you about reading this stuff, this right here, some of you use your read right, which is incorporated into this. If you must use your read right, please let me know that in this form, okay? Let me know that you had to use it. But these articles, I picked them so that they're at your level, so if you can try to read without it, let's try. We're at that point this year that we have